Hey guys, welcome back. I hope everybody's having a great day today. We've got some storms coming in later this afternoon, so I figured I would do a crock pot recipe for you guys. But it's going to be a little bit different. We're going to do like a fridge, pantry, clean out type thing. It's going to be great. Hopefully this turns out well. If it doesn't, you won't see it. If it does, it'll be up. So anyways, we're going to be doing like a creamy Italian chicken and rice type dish today. I will leave the full written recipe in the description box below. So yeah, I've got everything set out here ready to go. I've got some things that I need to use up that's from the pantry, from the freezer, and from the refrigerator because I don't want them to go bad. I don't want to waste it. So I've got all of that over here ready to go. Very simple ingredients, very easy, very cheap. So let's go over all of the ingredients and we'll get started. Okay, so this is pretty much everything that we're going to have for dinner. I've got my chicken in my crock pot for the crock pot recipe. I've got some mushrooms that I needed to use up before they go bad. I just quartered them up. I've got some rice back here that we're going to serve alongside. I've got some cream cheese, salt and pepper, a bottle of this Olive Garden Italian dressing, and for a side we're going to serve alongside with this sweet kale chopped salad kit. This looks absolutely delicious and I need to use it up before it goes bad. So I'm going to put this back in the refrigerator so it doesn't like wilt the lettuce sitting out on the counter. So I'm going to put that back in there and then we will start on the chicken. Okay guys, so I'm going to set my rice to the side because we're going to put that in the Instant Pot later and cook that right before the chicken is done. So what I'm going to do is just salt and pepper my chicken on both sides. Just a little bit. Okay, so I've got my chicken seasoned with a little bit of salt and pepper, and all we're going to do now is add in the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to add my mushrooms just right on top. I'm going to spread those around. Give this salad dressing a mix. Now I've got chicken thighs in here. You can do chicken breasts or whatever style of chicken that you like or have on hand. I'm just going to add this Italian dressing right on top. I think I'll just use the whole bottle. And I've got a block of cream cheese that I'm going to add right on top. And now I'm just going to pop the lid on and turn this on high. And I'm going to let this cook for about 2 hours, 3 hours. We're going to check it about 2 hours and see if the chicken is done. If not, we'll cook it about an hour longer. And then I'll meet you back here and we'll mix everything together, break that cheese up, and get it all combined in there. So yeah, I'm going to clean up a bit and I will see you in just a few seconds. Okay, so I've got some pasta here. Now I know I said I was going to cook rice to go with this, but changed our mind. We're going to do pasta. So I've got some water coming up to a boil on the stove. We're just going to add that, add this pasta in there, cook it till al dente, and then we're going to add it to the chicken. But first I'm going to take the chicken out, shred it up, mix everything together, and then when the pasta is done, we'll add this to the pasta to the chicken. Okay, so the water is boiling. I went ahead and added some salt. now I'm just going to add my pasta in. I'm going to do, I don't know, a little over half of this box. And just give that a stir. And we'll let that cook, and then we'll drain it and add it to the chicken. Okay guys, so I ended up cooking the entire box of pasta because 3/4 of that box was just not enough. So I went ahead and cooked the other bit of pasta and put that in there. And then I spent 15 minutes talking to my daughter about her TikTok comment that she's got like 50,000 views on. But this is ready to go. I'm going to plate this up and then we'll be ready to eat. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And yeah, we're going to go enjoy some delicious dinner, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.